In this video, I'll show you how to change the language of your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. This one is from the 2022 model. So the first thing you need to do is to go into the settings. You can swipe from down to up and see the settings icon right here. You can also access the setting by swiping down from the top. And here on the corner, you'll see the small wheel. You just need to tap on it and the settings will open up. Now you need to go on the left side here in the menu and go until you see General Management, this option, tap on it. And here on the right side, the first option will be Language. Tap on it. And you'll be able to add many languages. You're not limited to only one. So here I have English Canada. If you want to add another language, you just tap Add Language and you're going to choose, let's say, I don't know, Italian. You can even choose the region sometimes. And now it will ask you if you want to add this new language as a second language or even a third, fourth, or you want it to be the first one, the default one. If you want it to be the default, you're going to tap Default. If not, just press Keep Current and the language you just added will go second here. So you can have many of them here. How this works, it's written over here. The language at the top of the list will be used by default. If an app doesn't support your default language, the next language in the list will be used instead. And it's very easy to switch from one to another just by going back into this setting. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.